Our bell pepper first. All right, we got our Holy Trinity. Now let's do our sausage. But real quick, it's called the Holy Trinity because when you put all these things together, they become something greater than individually they can be on their own. Anyway, do that sausage now. All right, now we got this nice sausage. Okay, now we're gonna chop this baby up. All right, there we go. Now let's throw everything in the Dutch oven. Come over to the stove with me. All right, real quick, we're gonna make our chicken broth using this delicious chicken bouillon. We got about almost 4 cups of water here. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of bouillon. It's a little bit more than what it recommends, but I mean, it makes it taste really good. So there we go. You know, you do you. Mix this baby up. All right, that should be good to go. Now let's heat up our Dutch oven over here. Let's see this. We're gonna put this on high, and we're gonna throw our nice Holy Trinity in there. We're gonna be right back when it heats up. All right, we got this baby nice and hot. We're gonna add our nice fancy oil over here. Get it hot for a second. All right, we're gonna let this cook down a little bit. We'll be right back. We got these vegetables cooked down a little bit, not completely, but we're right where we want to add our meat up in there. We're gonna add the sausage first, let some of that fat render, then we're gonna add our chicken up in there. All right, be right back. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken up in there now. And we're gonna add our liquid. We just want it to get a little brown, you know, we don't want nothing to burn. About 4 cups. Real quick, we're gonna let this deglaze, be right back. All right, and if you're using the canned chicken like me, you got some of these chicken pieces in here, just kind of break those up a little bit. The heat will help you out too, but you know, getting them spread out initially is gonna help a lot. All right, let's throw our nice mixture in there. Put this in here, and we're gonna let it simmer for about 30 minutes or so. We're gonna put it down to low, and we're just gonna hang out. It's gonna be about half an hour. You wanna just let it go 45 minutes, that's totally fine too. All right, it's been about 45 minutes or so. Let's check on it. Check that baby. Oh yeah, looking good. See, there's not burn on the bottom. It's fine. We're gonna turn the heat off over here. There's lots of moisture in there, so we're gonna let it cool real quick. We're gonna be right back. Okay, nice and cool down. Can't wait for this. But yeah, really hearty. Check out all these vegetables. We got the celery, we got the onion, we got the peppers. You know, it's a great little upgrade. You know, kids will eat it. Kind of, you know, don't like battling them whenever we don't have to. Yeah, get this nice tapatio in there. You can use whatever hot sauce you want. We're using a little bit of this tapatio. Ooh. That's the stuff right there. Really good, really hearty. All these vegetables on here. You know, if you want to add more, knock yourself out. But, you know, kind of pushing the limit with our kids. Fine line, you know, between meat and the veg. Anyway, my friends, thank you for watching this. God bless. Subscribe for the next one. And check out some other stuff we have too.